up, man? It's your boy Interacial out here, man. We live. We live in the NYC, man. It's nothing. We make moves and movies. That's be paying to see this shit, man. I'm dead serious. It's for my fans. I love y'all. Shout out to nobody, nigga. Nobody. Holla at me. What's up, everybody? Bird representing P-Town. Dirty D all day. Just got done at Macy's, man. Spent like a stack or two. I mean, it's nothing. Nothing. Just another car payment, you know. No biggie. So we don't have farm demons. We paid off in full. Nigga still videotaping me. Hope you bitches seeing this. Jersey. Uh-uh.
And yeah, it's the boy Killer K. What it do? We up here at NYC representing 856 the Westfield at P-Town and Dirty D. Now I'm out here with the cousins, Birdman, the brother from another Philly Phil. Yeah, you know how we do. Getting cake all day, playing
You know how
hard.
we fucking do. State prop tank Hank. Philly.
You heard that.
Jersey. South. What's up?
That's the most exclusive shit you gonna get up here in the NYC. Don't get no better. Sign out, motherfuckers.
Early. I'm out. Pay me.